Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to add caption to a table. Remember that this is just a pure HTML table. Yes, we did not add any CSS to it. Adding CSS properties to table, that is where we are going to have our borders and the likes. So I don't want to make things more complex because I have said that my tutorial is going to be for beginners friendly. So I'm not going to add any CSS now until we get to CSS. Once we go to CSS, I'll be adding CSS to my HTML page. So now let's quickly add caption to this. Caption, that is one of the attributes. That's one of the properties of table. Sorry, not attributes, properties of table. So let me quickly add caption. This is caption. Then let me say my monthly savings. Monthly savings. So this is how caption can be added to a table in CSS, in HTML. Sorry about that. So this is the end of today's tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to discuss more on HTML